This is Shelly, Dirt Ranger. I'm out here at Land Between the Lakes, Sugar Bay, dispersed camping near Cadiz, Kentucky. My visit this time, I had the opportunity to review the Renogy backpack. As you can see, it's a standard backpack with loads of pockets. You have a main pocket here that has a little extra pocket here in the back. There's side pockets here that you can put your drinks in or whatever that zip open and then zip back closed. There's a pocket here in the back you can put stuff into. There's also a side zipper pocket. Laptop would fit in there really good. You have a carry handle and padded shoulders, but the main feature of this bag, which is what Renogy came up with, this entire front part zips off, and then you can flip it over and look what's on the inside. You got a nice big solar panel. And this also zips right back on. It's a two-sided zipper, so that way you can zip it back up, and while you're carrying it, it's charging if you're in direct sunlight. Nice thing about this is this also opens up. Let me find the part here. Inside here, you have a nice pocket for your pad. You have a nice pocket for your cell phone. And then there's also some small pockets down here for any other electronic gadgets you may have. And then you have your USB port to plug into. Something I've noticed while I've been using it, I tried plugging my phone into it, and the problem with it, if you're not in direct sunlight, especially out here in the woods and everything else, you have intermittent. So the phone was being charged, not being charged, being charged, not being charged. I know that's not good for them. So I went ahead and switched over to my power pack, because it doesn't seem to affect the power packs as much. Then you just go ahead and charge the power pack, and then take your power pack and use it for your electronic devices once you're done. And like I was already saying, you see a little blue light in there. Like I was already saying though, this is only in the sun is pretty much, I mean, you can tell whenever it starts working because you'll hear your power pack, if it makes a noise, it'll come on. In this type of light right now where I'm in the shade cover, it doesn't work so well. Of course, direct sunlight's going to be better, but even if you get some sunlight, it's still charging. That's just not your phone, for whatever reason. I don't understand the whole mechanics of that, but your phone is not going to pick up on that. So the power packs actually do better with this. So I'm going to let you go, get back to our camping adventures, and continue to check this out. Happy camping.